Your first and last name is the most important brand you'll ever own. The second part of this equation is the writing instrument in which you choose to write your brand. Hello, I'm Eric Allen, founder of Your Signature Company, and today I'm going to tell you the story of our company, how we got started, and our plan to change the way you think about the writing instrument you use every day. And let's get started. Yeah, our story is dynamic, and it largely stems from my 2 decades of military service. As a service member, constantly deployed, you start to develop an appreciation for letters because it's commonplace for those who serve. You're always going to write letters home. In some places, as you go throughout the world, there are no computers. So you're solely relying on handwritten letters to communicate with friends and families back home. I would get so used to writing letters and reading letters that I would read them 5 or 6 times. And once you're done reading them, you start admiring the stationery. You start admiring the penmanship. So you start developing a deep appreciation for the time it takes to write someone. So that lineage largely played a large part into me starting this company. It's part of my life. It really is. It's part of our story. So our brand is your brand. We started our company based on the premise that your signature is the most important brand that you'll ever own. And in saying that, we started it from the very beginning with the customer in mind, and not just to sell to the customer, but to acknowledge the character, the values, the personality of the customers, and that relationship building piece for our customers and clients. It's just, you can't get that from any other brand. And I think largely it's because it was always personal for us in starting our company. It was always, there was a purpose, there was fulfilling a gap that was needed in terms of the way we treat each other and the way we connect. When someone gets something so personal from you that you've given them your time, you've actually sat at a desk and wrote them something, it becomes timeless. It becomes timeless, and I think it's becoming more lost in a digital era where everything is competing for your attention. We design our products, and the packaging is, when you get our products, there's a relationship, there's a connection right away. And once you unbox the device and you really start to see, this is different. This means something. It's your character, it's your credibility. And that's really what we were hoping to capture when designing our devices. And I think we nailed it. Folks, on behalf of Your Signature Company and our family, I want to say thank you for viewing our video today. And I hope we've earned your business. And I do hope that we can change the world together, one signature at a time. Thank you. Semper Fidelis.